Yes, indeed, it's a very good morning, and by seeing the students working with so dedication and commitment makes this scene very delightful and worth seeing. And we are trying to make this learning process very inclusive as well as enjoyable. And but that doesn't mean that I'm saying that lecture method is not good. Lecture method is not very effective. Yes, it has its own implications, it has its own advantages as well as disadvantages, but when we are meant to accommodate large number of students, so then lecture method would be more appropriate. Just a second. Lecture method would be more appropriate, but yes, it has its own disadvantages, like students lose their interest in a class of longer duration. But yes, this one is my perception, but you can quibble, and but I would request you to quibble in a decent way, to comment in a decent way. And once G.B. Watson, he is supposed to be the founder of behaviorism, said that whatsoever child is going to observe gets imprinted on his mind. So we are trying to provide these students with the information that is pure, that is organic, that is meaningful. And so I believe that whatsoever they are going to observe gets imprinted on their mind. Whatsoever they are going to consume will get stored in their mind, and they will try to put that thing into practice. So they are getting information, but I would request you to please take care of the information that your child is getting, because your child is your biggest asset. Your child must get pure information, your child must get organic and meaningful information. And we'll see you in the next video, and I will show you, I will make another videos where these students are going to illustrate all these projects that they are working on. Till then, stay blessed, have a good time ahead.